G'day guys, welcome to Kap Industries. This is the installation guide for a Landcruiser 70 series fire extinguisher bracket that we make at Kap Industries. This is the bracket. It comes with two small washers that just sit on the back of the bracket, and it can be mounted to the passenger side or the driver's side of this vehicle, and comes with the hardware necessary to mount a fire extinguisher. In the video today, I'll be installing this one, the one that we sell on our website. It's a twin latch one, and it comes from a company called Firebox, so it's a really good brand. So here is how we do it. You start by taking the two front seat bolts out with a 14mm socket and ratchet, and you'll also need two 8mm spanners to tighten up the M5 stainless steel nuts and bolts. Let's go do it. Once you've removed those two bolts, you'll see how the extinguisher bracket sits. Then just get the extinguisher and find a position where you want to mount it. So I'm going to mount it as far this way so that it clears the adjuster handle. Then with those M5 nuts and bolts, mount the extinguisher cage to the bracket. Then once that extinguisher cage is bolted to the bracket, then sit it in, and you have to just put this little washer behind that one before the bolt goes in. And tighten them up just by hand. Get them hand tight first. And same with the other end. The washer goes in behind the bracket. Then tighten it up with that 14mm socket. Notice the washer just behind the bracket there. Then finally slip the extinguisher into its cage and clip it all up. Job done. As I said at the beginning of the video, you can mount it on the passenger side or the driver's side, and while I recommend running two extinguishers, one on either side, you can also use our bracket to hold a mag light or another type of torch. Here you can see it's holding the mag light torch, nice and safe and secure.